Good morning, everyone. We are on Module 8 of Chapter 4, Carbon and its Compounds. Today, we are going to learn about properties of ethanol and ethanoic acid. So, ethanol is a liquid at room temperature. Ethanol is commonly called alcohol and it is the active ingredient of all alcoholic drinks. It is also a good solvent. As you know, water is a universal solvent and it is used in medicines such as tincture of iodine. You have read about in class ninth. The tincture of iodine is a solution of iodine in alcohol, and alcohol is also used in cup syrups and in many tonics. Ethanol is also soluble in water. Consumption of small quantities of dilute ethanol causes drunkenness. It is socially a widespread practice. However, intake of even a small quantity of pure ethanol, that is called absolute alcohol, can be lethal. Also, long-term consumptions of alcohol leads to many health problems. So there are the reactions of ethanol. First one, reaction with sodium. Like the chemical symbol of sodium is Na, and the chemical formula of ethanol is C2H5OH. So when the reaction between ethanol and sodium takes place, the product formed are sodium eth oxide, that is C2H5O negative Na positive, and hydrogen gas is evolved, that is H2. Second, reaction of ethanol to give unsaturated hydrocarbon. As you all are familiar, unsaturated hydrocarbons are those that contain double and triple bond. So heating ethanol at 443 Kelvin with excess concentrated sulfuric acids result in the formation of ethene, and it is a dehydrated reaction because a molecule of water is released during this reaction. The concentrated sulfuric acid can be considered as a dehydrating agent because it removes water from ethanol. So if we talk about reaction, then C2H5OH, when heated in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, it gives rise to the formation of ethene, that is C2H4, and a molecule of water. Next one, ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is a colorless liquid with a pungent smell and sour taste. It is commonly called acetic acid, and as the name suggests, it belongs to a group of acids called carboxylic acid. It is soluble in water, and 5 to 8% solution of acetic acid in water is called vinegar, that you used at your home as a food preservatives in pickles. The melting point of pure ethanoic acid is 290 Kelvin, and hence it often freezes during winters in cold climates. This gave rise to its name glacial acetic acids. The group of organic compounds called carboxylic acids are characterized by their acidic nature. However, unlike mineral acids like HCl, which are completely ionized, carboxylic acids are considered as weak acids. They do not dissociate completely into ions in the presence of water. So if we talk about reactions of ethanoic acid, then first one is esterification reactions. As the name suggests, esterification reaction means there is formation of esters. So esters are most commonly formed by reaction of an acid, that is ethanoic acid, and an alcohol, that is ethanol. So ethanoic acid react with absolute ethanol in the presence of an acid catalyst to give an ester. Generally, esters are sweet smelling substances. These are used in making perfumes and as flavoring agents. On treating with sodium hydroxide, which is an alkali, the ester is converted back to alcohol and sodium salt of carboxylic acid. The reaction is known as saponification because it is used in the preparation of soap. Soaps are sodium or potassium salts of long chain carboxylic acids. Last one, reaction with a base. Like mineral acids, ethanoic acids react with a base such as sodium hydroxide to give a salt, like sodium ethionate and sodium eth oxides are the sodium salts. And in this reaction, there is formation of water molecule takes place. So the reaction is when ethanoic acid, that is CH3COOH, react with sodium hydroxide, it gives rise to the formation of sodium acetate, that is CH3COO Na positive plus H2O. Next is reaction with carbonate and hydrogen carbonates. Ethanoic acids react with carbonate and hydrogen carbonates to give rise to a salt, carbon dioxide and water. The salt produced is commonly called sodium acetate. The chemical formula of ethanoic acid, that is CH3COOH, when it reacts with sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3, the product formed are CH3COO negative, that is sodium acetate, plus H2O and plus carbon dioxide, that is CO2. The next is ethanoic acid react with sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3, give rise to the formation of CH3COO negative, that is sodium acetate. The product formed in both the reaction are same, plus water and plus carbon dioxide. Thank you.